Hello again. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you a jet polish, an airflow or an air abrasion machine. How does it look like? So this is it. If you can see these ones here. And this is the powder that goes in the machine. So if you can see, this is the one of the machine here, and it's already have a powder inside. So what you do is you just put the lid back there, and that's the tip that goes with it. It goes in there. So this how it looks like here if the tip is in there. And these ones we have different attachment here. It depends on what type of couplings you have in the surgery. So like this one here, it's got a prong in it. It goes in this type of chair here, this type of attachment I should say, the attachment there. And this attachment and this machine I should say will go here. And this machine will go in there. And same with this one, will go in this one here. Okay, so it all depends on what's available in your surgery, but these are all a jet polish or airflow machine looks like. Okay, there you go. And that's the powder. This is the powder. So this is a jet polish machine. This is how it looks like. That's the powder there. All right, thank you very much.